So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So maybe you're planning on returning it, or you're going to go through and sell it or give it away. This is basically the process you want to follow. Number one, back up anything that you basically need on your device. So if there's anything on your watch that you know is not on anything else, then go ahead and back it up. Once it's backed up, you can swipe up from the bottom and you want to make your way over into your settings application. So hop right into settings right here and you will come into this page. What we want to do is we want to basically scroll down on our particular device until we find a little option that says General right here. Tap on General and you're going to come into this page. What we want to do is basically scroll all the way down until we find these two options. Now, if you're transferring your watch to a new phone, you can click on that to transfer your watch to a new phone. But if you're trying to reset it, you want to tap on that reset button that's right there. Now what's going to happen is you're basically going to want to read all this. It's going to tell us to reset our watch, whatever we have to do, everything. Tap on reset, and then it's going to start preparing and backing up our watch data, and it's going to basically, reset our watch for us. So this is going to delete everything off of our watch. It's going to go ahead and basically remove everything off of it. I would probably recommend going through and charging it up while you're doing this, just in case it dies while it's doing this. But that is basically all you're really going to have to do there. At this point, the watch will go ahead and kind of restart, and you'll basically be able to, you want to wait until it's fully restarted in order to sell it off or whatever. But that's basically all you're going to have to do. Your watch will reset, and you'll basically come back to the main panel, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. So it really is that basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.